Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again to my channel. So today we are going to be making some homemade sauce. So here are the ingredients. So we got some green jalapeno, we got the regular onion, we got the green onion, we got some dry fish, we got some garlic, ginger, some romaine lettuce, and we got some dry chili pepper. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start by putting everything inside the mortar. So I got the dry fish. Let's get the green onion. Got the regular onion. Then we have the jalapeno pepper. Then we have the ginger and garlic. Then we have the romaine lettuce. Then we got the red chili pepper. Let me gather everything. Just put everything in there. All right, next I'm going to be adding some small salt. Let me see if I can. You don't want to add too much. Yep, right there is good. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of extra olive oil, just a little bit. You don't want to soak this too much in oil, so that should be good. Now what I'm going to do is just nice and grind this. Then I'm going to show you the final produce. Ladies and gentlemen, here you see the final almost sauce. After a lot of pounding and grinding, this is what the final product looks like. Just like that, you guys see that. So when I taste this, it's very nice, especially with the dry fish. So if you guys don't have dry fish, that's okay. You guys don't need a dry fish. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how this with the veggies I'm cooking in the oven goes well with the old pasta. So we're going to put everything together, then I'm going to show you the final product. But now, here is the homemade sauce. All right, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notification. And I'm going to see you in the next video.